Transfer complete. Airlock secure.
Initiating stabilization sequence. Gas levels confirmed.
A trained technician carefully guides the 1.2-meter Cobra, positioning the venom glands precisely for the voluntary expulsion of the raw venom.
The stability data on batch 136 looks excellent.
Confirmed. Process A is complete.
Stability testing is initiated for the Ring-Necked Spitting Cobra Venom antigen, a robotic logger registered. Verification of the cold chain integrity for the Ring-Necked Spitting Cobra Venom antigen. A digital thermometer displays a consistent temperature of The mature ring-necked spitting cobras are carefully returned to their climate-controlled vivarium habitats.
Ensure the dry ice completely surrounds the probes.
Confirmed, Supervisor. We are ready for sealing.
The cross-reference is complete. Regulatory compliance is confirmed.
Excellent. This batch is cleared for serum creation.
The robotic arm carefully dilutes the venom antigen with adjuvant solutions, creating the immunogenic cocktail.
After confirming sterility with the UV scan, the data is logged, generating a secure manifest for transfer to Process B.
Antigen received. Process A complete.
The commencement of Process B requires absolute precision. Here we see the purified ring-necked spitting.
We carefully administer the Cobra venom antigen to the host animal, initiating the crucial antibody generation process for Antivenom RNC-11. The plasma is processed through massive industrial centrifuges at high speed to remove cellular debris. The purified antibody paste is reconstituted and transferred to a reactor, where specific enzymes are added to This stage represents the final manufacturing of the secondary finished product, the Cobra Antivenom RNC-11.
Okay, RNC-11 pallets are cleared. Get them loaded into Bay 4 immediately.
RNC-11 shipment clear of the main bay. Get these onto the trucks immediately.
Confirmed. Rolling now.
We brought the RNC-11 antivenom. It is secure.
Thank you, we appreciate it.
The RNC-11 is starting to flow now. Just relax, you're doing well.
The
The data indicates an urgent need in the red zone. I'm authorizing immediate deployment of RNC-11, confirming the order for the automated supply chain.
This is specific treatment, the Cobra Antivenom RNC-11. It is highly effective against the venom.
Reviewing the administration guidelines, the text emphasizes the species of specificity of the Cobra Antivenom RNC-11.
The neutralization mechanisms are clear.
RNC-11 proves highly effective as a reference standard.
Thanks to the Cobra Antivenom, I am fully recovered. I feel like a new man.